Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at something, well, pretty essential if you live where it rains hard. Our source material focuses on places like Surrey in British Columbia and how water can be a home's worst enemy. We're doing a quick but, deep dive into stopping serious damage with one key thing: professional downspout drainage.
That's right. And our goal here is to pull out the really big benefits, the important stuff, from what Pacific Blue Mechanical talks about. We want to understand why good drainage is so critical, especially for homeowners.
Okay, so when we say drainage, we mean the whole setup, right? Gutters, the downspouts themselves, and those pipes that extend out.
Exactly. The whole system working together to get water far, far away from your house's foundation so that it doesn't cause trouble.
But hang on, why does it need to be so complicated? I see people just stick a cheap plastic thing on the end. Why does the info from Pacific Blue Mechanical suggest paying pros for, custom underground pipes? Is it really worth it, especially somewhere like Surrey?
Well, that's where the local part comes in. Surrey's got a double challenge. Lots of rain, yes, but also specific soil. You get that heavy rain hitting the unique clay soils they have there, and it just gets waterlogged. That makes the ground swell and shift, putting massive stress on foundations, that little plastic pipe. It just won't cut it.
Okay, so knowing the local conditions is, essential, not just a nice to have.
Exactly. A local expert, like Pacific Blue Mechanical mentioned in the source, knows what works for that specific ground. They know you need systems built to handle that wet season. They use things like French drains.
French drains, what are those exactly? Like hidden trenches?
Yeah, basically. Underground channels filled with gravel in a pipe designed to collect and redirect groundwater away. And also things like swales. Those are like gentle dips in the landscaping that guide the water safely across the yard. Smart stuff for the area.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds like a proper investment, though.
Yeah.
So let's talk benefits. What are the clear wins for getting this done right? Why spend the money?
Right. There are really 4 big areas. First, and maybe most important, is structural safety. Good drainage stops water from pooling right next to your house. That prevents foundation damage, the serious cracks that cost a fortune to fix later, especially with that tricky clay soil we mentioned. This is kind of non-negotiable.
And keeping the foundation dry helps inside too, right? For health and cleanliness.
Absolutely. Moisture getting into basements or crawl spaces, that's like rolling out the welcome mat for mold and mildew. A good drainage system keeps those areas dry, better air quality inside, healthier place to live. It's a huge plus.
Makes sense. And financially, it sounds like paying up front saves you big time later.
Totally. Spend a bit now or risk a flooded basement or a massive foundation repair bill down the road. It's an investment. Plus, it boosts your property value and makes the place look better, curb appeal. People forget that one.
And what was the last one? You mentioned 4.
Oh, right. Home safety. Simple one, really. Proper drainage means no big puddles on your paths or driveway. Less risk of someone slipping and falling, which, can be a serious issue.
Okay, so we need a good system, probably a professional one tailored to the area. Now, how do you keep it working well? Any tips from the source on maintenance?
Yeah, the simplest thing, but super important. Keep your gutters and downspouts clean, at least twice a year, especially spring and fall. Clogs are the main reason these systems fail.
So clear the leaves out, basically.
Pretty much. You can do it yourself, but getting a pro checked sometimes is smart. They can assess the yard slope, make sure everything's really flowing away properly, not just, for now.
And there's one last piece you mentioned earlier, kind of surprising the environment. How does drainage help there?
Well, when you manage the water properly in your property with a good system, you stop soil washing away. It also reduces polluted runoff going into local streams and rivers. So yeah, you're protecting your house and helping keep the local water cleaner. It's a nice bonus.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. Good downspout drainage, especially tailored to local conditions like Pacific Blue Mechanical talks about for Surrey, it's crucial for your home's structure, your health, your wallet, and even safety and the environment. A lot packed in there.
It really is. And it leaves us with a thought for you listening. If you have a basement or even a crawl space under your house, do you know right now exactly where your downspout water is going when it rains hard? Is it moving away from your foundation? Maybe next time there's a downpour, take a walk around your house. See where that water's headed. It might be the most important checkup you do for your home.